Hello, today we're going to show how to convert PCB docs to Gerber files using Altium and also cover different views of the PCB doc and Altium layers. So here, as you can see, we have the license management. So what we're going to do right now is just go ahead, select, and then now we're going to navigate over here to our third-party results, and then we're going to select each of the PCB project files. And then we are going to now be able to access it. So here you can see the schematic, and then over here you have the regular PCB document, and over here you can see the header, you can see the chip, you can see the capacitors, the resistors are over there, and then yes, this is the top view. Now we're going to switch over to the bottom view. So the bottom view has all the same things, just the other side. You can see the connections now, and then we're switched over to the top view. And then now we can access the 3D here, where you're able to see the chip, you're able to see the capacitors, you can see the header and resistors there too. And then yeah, as we keep sort of flipping this around, yeah, you can see the bottom of the capacitors, just like a very complete view here through the 3D view of Altium. All right, and then yeah, you can just see the side view, see everything just by quickly flipping it. And you can easily toggle between 2D and 3D. Alright. And then now what we're going to do is generate the Gerber files. So this would make it so that a contract manufacturer, whoever we want to send this to, will be able to easily obtain this data, etc. But anyways, let's focus on creating it. So we're going to look at the copper layers, silkscreen mechanical layers, just generally select all layers when you want to create, because you're going to need each layer, and I'll show you why in just a second. So over here you have the headers, you have the header in the middle, and over there the capacitors. And now what we're going to do is open Camtastic, since now you can see the Gerber file, all the different layers are on top of each other. And then now we can individually toggle and untoggle each layer. So now I'm going to show you what each layer does. So over here we have the top overlay here, just shows the component numbers, names. You can clearly see each capacitor looks the same as the PCBDoc almost. And then now you can sort of see the solder mask, and then now the top copper layer over here. Again, similar to what you saw with the PCBDoc, you can see each of the capacitors, and then of course the chip on the left there, bottom, and then after the bottom's solder mask, here's our mechanical layer, where you can sort of see the outlines. Mechanical layer 13, layer 15, again, also has more of these outlines. And then over here we have the top pad, bottom pads, and then the multi-layers here in the white. And then now we have the drill drawing. That's what all these shapes here are for. And then the drill map, as you can see here. And then right over here at the end, you can see the outline for the board. And then, as you can see, you can manually toggle on all these layers one after one. So if you want to see none of them, you can see none. If you want to select number of them, compare them easily, this is the right tool for you. So yeah, when you want to take your PCBDoc, change it into Gerbers, decide which layers the contract manufacturer or whoever you're sending this to needs, this is the perfect tool for you. Now we're going to go back to the PCBDoc, because we need to also create the NC drill layer, which requires a separate menu. So you click on NC drill, you click import drill data, all the presets are okay, and then here you have all you can see the map of all the different drill holes. And yeah, you can see it's easy to toggle that on and off. You can see here, again, really easy to just click on it and click out of it in Camtastic, open up the other layers. So yeah, that's the general gist of how you create your Gerber files from PCBDoc. You can easily toggle 2D, 3D view. This is overall a great tool to use. And then in just a second, I'm just going to show you how to access these files in the different layers now. So over here, we're going to go over to Files. We're going to go down to, again, the same folder which we had earlier, but now now notice that we have a couple Camtastic files, and then once we click on one of those, we can see all the different layers here, labeled power regulator, and then through hole, mechanical, other for the multi-layer, pad top, pad bottom, the paste layers. Every kind of layer that you need is right here. So anyways, thank you.